Hello students, today we are going to learn some interesting things. So we have one sheet of paper, you can see that. So what we're gonna do, we want to cut it from the very middle part. So we just halved it like this. So we fold it like this. Now we cut it. You can see we have two parts. This is the one sheet of paper that we had, and now it is in two parts. So what we call this part is, this is actually one part out of these two parts. Can you say that? Yes, of course. This is the one part out of these two parts, and this is called as half. Okay. What half mean actually? Half mean actually when we have one thing and we cut it into two equal pieces, then that one part is called as half of that whole part. Okay, so this is the half of this whole part. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna halve these two halves. And how? Let's do it. We're gonna fold this again from the very middle, and also this one like this, and we're gonna cut it. Two parts. Two more parts. Now we have how many parts? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 parts now. So what we did, we have one sheet of paper, we halved it, we got 2 parts of it. Now we again halve the halves, and we got 4 parts. What we call this one? This is actually one part out of these 4. We grab the one part out of these 4, and this is called as quarter. Quarter means one part out of 4 equal parts. Okay, let's do it on paper to get more. So what we have learned, that we have one sheet of paper that we cut into 2 parts. This is the one part and this is the second part, and these are 2 equal parts of this one sheet of paper. This is the first part and this is the second part. So what we called is this is called as half of this one sheet of paper. And how we write it? We write it as one part out of these 2 parts. Okay, this is also a half part and this is also a half part. Both are half of this one sheet paper. Next, we halve the half like this. Then what we get 4 parts, 4 equal parts. This is the 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 parts of these 2 halves. So what we called as this is called as quarter. And how we denote it? We denote it like this is the one part out of these 4 parts, that is 1 by 4. So what we have learned, we have one sheet of paper. When we cut it into 2 equal parts, then we get half. And it is denoted as 1 out of 2. And when we halve the halves, then we got quarter, and it is denoted as 1 out of 4, that is 1 by 4.